some technical issue, guys, but still we are going to do the live stream. Okay, so what's up? Let me know who is online. This is how it works. I'm trying to get it work on a laptop, but right now it looks like impossible. We have technical glitch like always. I never understand why this happened. Like it's almost like impossible for me to understand now that we have the same settings, have the same camera setup, but every time we have the new challenges. If anybody knows why it happens, let me know. Or is it like it's just the issue with the issue with the Windows laptop? Should I do from Mac, or let me know if you have any advice around this. We have the same setup, but I was impossible to uh, you know. Get my Sony camera working on the on a laptop. I tried for different laptops, but it was not working. But anyways, we are back with the Wednesday live stream. Guys, let me know if you're here and where watching from. People who are new to the live stream, they should know that we do this live stream every Wednesday. We do live stream for around for the people who wants to ask some questions, because when I post a video, it's always mostly like one way thing. So for example, I post a video and then you can answer it, but sometimes it becomes really complicated for people who don't get the answer of the questions, and commenting is not really very, how to say, back and forth communication. It's one way communication. So that's why we do this live stream every Wednesday 3 p.m. Central European time. So if you are a viewer of the channel, or you're somebody new on the channel, so welcome to the live stream. And if any questions regarding SEO, regarding web development, regarding digital marketing, regarding WordPress, regarding speed optimization, let me know. I will be really happy to answer you any of your questions. Okay, so that will be start for the live stream today. Okay, and do we have somebody on the stream? Satyamurthy, hi Satyamurthy, how are you doing? Welcome to the stream. We have 3 people online, guys. How are you doing? Where are you watching from? Let me know. 4 people online. Okay, Satyamurthy is online, and then Hamza Khan is online. 115. Okay, guys, welcome to the stream. If you have any questions, let me know. Also, let me know about the audio. Or sorry, audio. Also, let me know about the audio. And I'm trying to work this stream work on with the laptop, but yes, let's see. Okay, Search Console performance update issue, sir. What is the not updating last 60? But it's Satyamurthy, you don't have control over Search Console. And what is the issue? I told you so many times you cannot do anything there. Just if you have fixed those things, just leave it there. You cannot do anything. Don't be. You cannot really do anything there. Okay, let me put my phone to silent. Just a moment. I don't know if that will stop the stream or not. Okay. I hope the stream is still working. Do not got silent. Okay. Satyamurthy, what is the issue you're facing with Search Console? Which is the issue? And it might take some time. That's definitely, no matter whatever you are facing right now, the issue, it definitely takes some time. We don't control like Search Console. It's Google's database. They are the one who is taking care of like the everything what happens with Search Console. And also you cannot force it. But let me know what is the issue you're facing, and then I can just let me. Okay, so officially I think we're not gonna do the we're not gonna do the laptop thing today. We're just gonna do with like with phone. Yeah, it's not working, and don't ask me why. Sometimes it works, sometimes it does not work. It can be very complicated sometime. Okay, so yes, how many people have we online? 5 people. Sir, tell me one thing. How can we do SEO of the website products? Give complete concept, Google Analytics and Search Console. But Google Analytics is more about the data of people are visiting your website, like that kind of data, and the Search Console is more about the website SEO and indexing, like how pages are being indexed. So yes, wholesale products website, wholesale. products. For example, if you mean like there's one product and you want to sell it for wholesale. So basically, what we do first of all, that your website should be not be, for example, it's a new website, should not be selling multiple different kind of categories. Try to make like authority in one kind type of products, and then you have one type of products. Try to write as much description as you could write good images, and also like try to focus on like pages which answer a lot of questions about that product. Also, that's gonna be like really how's a basic advice about a e-commerce website. I also run a e-commerce website, like multiple website e-commerce website. So what we do, we try to write as much information as in that domain to get authority. And also it takes time, it's not that easy. And also if you have an e-commerce website, like don't waste too much of time on like bringing the authority. It's gonna come with time. You have to make a lot of backlinks, and then also you have to write good content. And I would recommend you go for ads. Like why don't you use Google ads or Meta ads or TikTok ads, different kind of ads to sell the products. That's gonna be like, don't waste your time too much on like bringing customer to your website by organic traffic. Like how you can compete with people who are running like or who are running ads on their website, and you want to have like the organic visitors on your website. If it's a e-commerce, is you're gonna sell some products, run ads. That's gonna be the best thing you could do for a website. And rest, the basics are same. They're same for any kind of website, whether it's a blog website, is a company website. All the basics are same. And also, if you can get traffic from social media, that's really nice. What do you sell, by the way, on your website? Let me know so I can maybe suggest you some more things. Okay, also, guys, I want to tell you WordPress 6.9 is released. It's already 1 week. We have WordPress 6.9 release. So I tested on many websites. It's totally safe. I tested, I think, 11, 12 websites, which I personally manage. So I updated on all those websites. We have no issues with any of those. And so if you want, you can also take a backup, and then you can also update WordPress 6.9 on your website. So yeah, go for it. And I also launched a video like today on WordPress 6.9. If you want to know what are the good features about WordPress, and what what are new things coming in WordPress, you should check the video. And it is the video released today, like I think couple of hours I released that video. So you can go and watch that video. It's gonna be really helpful. Also, you will learn something new, and there are a lot of changes about block editor in this release. So yes, if you want to know more about block editor, you can also watch that video. That's gonna be, there's a very small video, I think 8 minutes of video. You can check on the channel. uh, mm, we sell products. We got approval from the brands and other retailers or selling. How can we bettering? We sell beauty and home application, but social media. Like social media is the best way for you. Like if you want to sell, like do influencer marketing, UGC, it's gonna be the best thing to sell your products. Like or ads. Like you cannot compete like these days. For example, like you and me, we both are selling the same kind of products, and then I'm doing ads and you are trying to rely on organic traffic, SEO. It's hard. It's hard. You need time to make authority in that domain, and people, you should have traffic on website. So just like do influencer marketing and social media marketing. That's going to the best thing. Peetam Mondal, hello to the stream. Any tips on local SEO? How to rank near me? Create the content, create local pages. Use rank math plugin or Yoast SEO or AI SEO plugin. All these plugins are fine. They have dedicated option for local SEO. Add your company type, add the schema, add create Google business profile there. And also, if you can create some pages on directories, like create the pages, you need the backlinks also. And also, like if you have backlinks from nearby directories, like you can go olx.com or Yellow Pages or Craigslist, whatever works in your country where you're watching from. Just create those pages, those backlinks on those websites. That's gonna be really easy advice for local SEO. And also, like you have to target like local keywords also. Like for example, if you live in Mumbai, so you can say Depending on a business. For example, if you're a saloon or something, you can say which is the best saloon in Bandra, which is the best saloon in Andheri, or just write the name and then write content around it, and you will see traction from there. And once you start seeing any effect from there, just like double on those keywords, check on webmaster tools how they're performing, and then create create Excel sheet and targeting all the local keywords in that area. And focus on semantic SEO also. For example, if you're creating a page, like you're targeting best saloons or best hospitals in that area, then try to write it semantically. For example, write location, write the name of city, then write name of the even that inner location which you're targeting for, and try to get multiple things. And also, depending it's really hard to tell you the strategy without knowing about your website. So once you have the website, you can see you have access a little bit of search console, you can have better targeting for local SEO. A video is coming also on local SEO very soon. It's in the process. Maybe you see next week that video on local SEO. Good evening, Sarji. Pallav, good evening. Welcome. How are you doing, Pallav? Mona Sharma, how to add social profile in GMB in India. How to add social profiles in GMB India. I said have you just go to your GMB profile, and then it's same process for everywhere in India or in USA, anywhere. It's the same process. I haven't done this from long time, but you should have option when you go to you add your profile, and then just they have option to add your social profile. Okay, I'll see if I can create a small video about it. I think it should not be so much time taking. And also, like, do they have this option? Let me see. They have option. Yeah. They have option. And okay, I think I will create a separate video around this topic. Mona Sharma. Yeah. Okay. Palla, how is it going? Is your website is ready to launch or not yet? Thank you. You are another one. Okay. How? Sir, I have website. I built the 80 calculator. 80 calculator. What are the calculators, dear? Now in the 3 days, the only homepage index. How much time it will take to index website? What are those calculator? If you create a useless calculator, you created like simple age calculator, you created like simple rent calculator or interest calculator. They are like there are tons of them, like thousands of them on internet. You might not be indexed. Like Google will not index you. They say, why would we index another calculator where we already have so many pages? Depending what kind of calculator website you have, let me know. It does not matter you have 80 website. Like if you have 80 low value calculator website, it's even worse for a website. Have one good calculator which is not generic, which you don't have a lot of competition, instead of adding 80 calculator which we already have like thousands on internet. So it's even worse thing if you did. Let me know what your calculators are about. Thank you. Okay, no, not in social media option. Okay, and one, I'm not really sure. I don't remember exactly. I can check it and get back to you. You can send me email on my email ID, or I can write a community post, or maybe we can make a video about it. I'm not really sure that I don't remember right now how to do it. If they don't provide the option, I'm sure they should know, there will be not be option. If you know, if you're already saying it, so maybe it could depend on different country to country. I live in Europe. Here we have the option to do it, but India I need to check. If they don't provide the option, then it's you cannot do that. Do you know how we can open the but add the schema? You can add the schema about like organization things, people. Lot of things you can add on your website. How to any clues to rank up on AI search result? Watch the video, man. The Geethan Thinkun, sorry if I mispronounced your name. There are videos on my channel, like step by step videos how to get traffic from AI search result. I have detailed step by step videos on the channel, like multiple videos. You can check and know how to do this. Sir, tell me which website give do follow backlink. There are a lot of website give do follow backlink, but does not mean you should add that on your website. If, for example, if my website is about IT software and your website you're selling, like what do you say? You sell. Let me check. You sell wholesale products. Like it does not bring any effect on your website. Yeah. If you want to know, just like check which your website competitor are making the backlinks from, and just try to make backlinks on the same website. It's not that complicated. If they You will know once you will go to the website. You can use keyword everywhere, how you say, tool. It's add-on for Chrome or Firefox. You can find for all of those, and then check where they created backlinks. I talk in a lot of my other videos, SEO videos, that how you see the backlinks, how to check backlinks from where your computer getting those from, and then try to reach the same websites. Right? If they can get it, you can also get it. Especially if their domain authority is less than 20, 30. If they're getting good backlinks, I'm sure you can also get backlinks. Sometimes they're paid backlinks, so you can have on, how you say. You have to pay for them, but if you don't want to pay for them, you can see the lot of website they might be creating backlinks from. Then you can also get backlinks. Okay, no, this is different stream. I'm waiting on scheduled stream. Nice. Palla, you are safe today, just because my camera was not working, Sony camera. Oh no, Weber, this is a different stream. Yeah, Weber, we have some technical issue, like so this was the issue. I tried to make it work. It did not work. Like same setup, everything same cable. I did not even disconnected the cable from last time, and now it's not working. I don't know what to happen. So yeah, it's a technical glitch. We have this, like with the stream software also, and also I don't know. This is so buggy. I don't know what's happening, because there's so many pieces in raw. For example, you use a software StreamYard to do streams, then you have Sony camera, then you have Windows laptop, then you have internet connection from somewhere, then you have my I don't know, Windows Defender services running behind. So many things need to work together properly to make a stream happen. And yeah, it's very complicated sometimes. So today was the bad day that stream did not work. I tried like 20 minutes, and I like, okay, it's not working, let's do a stream by mobile phone instead of not doing stream or let people waiting. So yeah, sorry about it, man. No, that is all in one website. There's low competition and also high competition calculators like general finance. No, this is not good. Like you said, general finance, health, they already exist, so you can create how many you want. Doesn't change anything. They are still low value calculators, like low value website. If you, for example, if I'm telling, like, okay, if I create a video about how to add social media icons on a WordPress website, and that 1000 videos already exist. If you create the next video about it, the same thing you're gonna say, it's gonna be low value video. Google will say, okay, we already have so many things, so many videos about this. We're not gonna index this new video which you have created. So yeah, so it's not about low or high competition value, like you say. It's general finance and health. Man, does not work. Thanks. We'll check in. I got in here today. Okay, perfect. And let me know if you have any questions. Chinarok, hi sir. Hi Chinarok, how are you doing? AH tips one: getting Google AdSense approval is quite difficult nowadays. It is not at all difficult. It is very easy. Just need to be like a little bit focused. Like I tell to everybody, if you're not getting AdSense approval, which means you need to work, you need to learn, you need to watch some videos. For example, if you create a blog website because some YouTuber told you that how much money it makes, that's a wrong way to go. Learn what is, how to write a blog post, how to write categories, how to create menus. It is super easy. I can create a website in like one day, and then you can get AdSense approval. We got AdSense approval on dummy website. Sometimes I create website just on this for this channel for dummy, and then I apply for AdSense and they give AdSense. Even that website is totally for, for a tutorial which I've created for you people. For example, I've created this website for showing how to get technical website selling products, and I asked for AdSense approval, and then Google gave me AdSense approval. It's not that hard. You just need to understand the basics, like Most of the time the people, they do a lot of mistake. For example, they don't even know what our categories are. They don't even know how to get topical map of website. They don't know what to put on the menu. They fill the menu with like about, contact, terms and condition, privacy policy, disclaimer, all these things. No, these things does not belongs to main menu. When somebody look at your website, they should be knowing that what is your website about. So if your website is about cybersecurity, they should know by just by looking at menu and your homepage. And also work a little bit on homepage designing and write quality articles. Just go to check AdSense playlist on my channel, and you will watch so many videos, and you will know that why your website is not approved. Trust me, if it's not getting approved, it means you need to focus, you need to learn a little bit of things. Your skills are really really low if AdSense is not approved, you're not getting approved, or maybe you're using the chat gpt generated content. That also could be a factor. Even with the chat gpt content, you can still get AdSense approval, but you need to know that your website is good enough to apply for it. Satyamurthy, sorry sir, I have to leave. Network issue. No worries, Satyamurthy. See you later. I think it's a carbon issue. Just brush the pins and plug in. It will work fine in this after the stream. Yeah, yeah. I no. The thing is that Weber, when I try to record a video and I use Sony's this, they have this software, remote software. So remote software, I use it. So it works really fine with it. The same cable connected. But when I'm trying to use the StreamYard, it's not working. Not StreamYard software I'm using. Streamlabs software. It's not working. Yeah, but I'll try your tips maybe. China Rock, fine sir. How are you? I'm also doing fine. Just last, too busy these days. It's the year end, and also here in France is the end of our financial year. Where here we don't have like in back home in India, you have like April or 31st May. Okay, I think first April, the first financial day. Here is the first financial day is first January. So yeah, you have to wrap up all your taxes and everything, all the money which has to come in the business. So you have to like ask for clients who did not pay invoices from last so many days. So we asking invoices, clearing everything, and also like like year ending. So it becomes a lot of festivities here. So just celebrating stuff with friends, and like it's just going out, like seeing the New Year, Christmas markets, and also it's a really busy time. So yeah, those were days when all webmasters struggled for one AdSense approval. Yeah, true, true. Yeah, but also I think before blogging used to be more skilled thing. Now it's more like a lot of people, they come like with no knowledge. This It's like everybody is there, like they want to become athlete, but they don't know, they don't prepare anything. They just wear the t-shirt of athlete, and they say, okay, why I'm not selected in the team or something like that. So with AI content, lot of low value content is coming in blogging, and blogging becomes really really complicated. Even Google also has to launch like a lot of algorithms to detect like low value AI generated content. Yeah, so I think this is a really big issue. Weber, do you have a blog also? Okay, Nastatabharti, see you later. Marketing zone, where I can learn advanced semantic SEO. Any suggestion, bro? Watch a video on my channel about semantic SEO. Yeah, and another video is also coming in very soon. Maybe in few couple of weeks, I'm gonna release another video. But yeah, for now, you can watch the semantic SEO on my channel. Not very big. I did 20 minutes long video, 27 minutes long video, but I cover a lot of important things. And mostly, if you know that kind of basic stuff like what I explained in the video, then it's only up to you to implement that on your website. It's really really hard to learn from a YouTube video. You have to do it by yourself. Like for example, watch the video on the channel, go search for semantic SEO, you'll find that video, and then implement on that on your website and track everything, track the keywords, how they're performing, track everything, and then that's the only way to learn it. Like honestly, trust me, just by watching videos, reading blog articles, it's impossible to learn these kind of practical things because you don't have feedback. I can tell you anything, but for example, First of all, I might have different example on my website, and you might have different example on your website is different. So if you're just learning from a video or from text or from anywhere, it's you're wasting your time. Don't waste your time. Just like put your efforts and do it on a real website. Okay, Ansar HQ, bro, I'm front end developer. My dream is to earn money from AdSense. Tell me more good idea or niche to build website which has low competition. I can create front. Brother, if you're front end editor, why you want to make earn money from AdSense? It's gonna take years and years. You're front end developer, create a project, create an app or something, and then launch it, make more money from it. Do freelancing, you can get much more money. What is your target? How much money you want to make? Tell me, and then maybe I can give you advice. Like, don't go in this direction. You are already doing something, which is very, how say, your skills are very very high level skills. So why you want to do like blogging? I don't understand. You can do for as a hobby. You can do like I do for a hobby, and also we have some like big clients. For them, we do we they have big huge blogs, but they're like more like magazines and news websites and stuff. For them, we do a lot of SEO. We do a lot of other implementation around AI search results, all those things. But yes, like tell me how much money you want to make. Pallav, Sarji, I'm in dilemma. I already have chat form builder, but I need to install fluent forms to connect CRM. No, Pallav, you are making super complicated. No, just launch it with one form, simple contact form. Nobody is coming to your website. You don't need a funnel right now to launch your website. Trust me, brother, you are just making it more complicated. Create a website, put contact form 7, that's it. That's all. Put a one contact form to people contact you. In starting, you will not have a lot of people who coming to website, and you don't need funnel automation, all those things. You don't need to come on, Pallav. You have to just do it. DJ, just follow me. Hi, how are you? Siratable. How long sandbox usually lasts? Until you don't learn like how to write a proper blog post, or you don't improve your skills. That's the only thing the sandbox lasts. Weber, what do you say about it? Yes, I have, but I am not consistent there. 15, yeah, true. I have personal blogs. I have not written something there like from long time. What do you recommend for a SEO site that has different name than domain? What do you recommend for a SEO for site that has different name than domain? I don't understand this. Can you please explain CRE and ask a question properly? Like, what do you want me to tell about? Like, I don't understand the question. Sorry. Ospin talks with the new ID, Ospin Academy. Hi, sir. How are you doing? Which push notification you use for web traffic? I don't use any of those on my website. I think they're really really annoying. And I'm all my blog website, which I have few of blog website, they don't have really high DA, and I'm not very very consistent on those websites. So I don't want to annoy people with push notifications. I think I'm getting good traffic from like forums and stuff where they both are tech blogs and stuff. Like I teach here, I also write posts on different forums, so I get traffic from there, and also I got a lot of organic SEO, organic traffic. Like I hate push notification. And why would somebody give you, okay, I know there are a lot of people for news websites really works really well. You can have push notification on your news website. For that, use any plugin works well. Any free plugins works really well on push notification. My website are not uh, Saji, I heard push notification is against policies. I have no idea about it. Let me check. I don't use them. Push. Let me check. It's a good one you said, because they're super annoying. Allah, your all questions are against if they're against policies or not. Yeah, please chat, do live stream. Oh, there's some retouch. Oh, wow. It just changed the face of my shape if I just click on retouch. Uh, I don't think they should be against Google policies. What's the point of having against Google policies? Like, you want to reader to stay updated with the website, so I don't think so. But I can look for it and then. Uh, I don't think so. Do you love kitchen so much, sir? Yeah, kitchen I love. It's like during the noon, it's my time to get a break, between the days. So yeah, it's just like they have good light and everything. So that's why in the kitchen. And also, like, we do other things on the where in my studio we record videos. So just to change stuff, like otherwise it become a little boring. Just to change the ambience and the background. Okay, push notification not against Google policies. No, this is not against Google policies. No ads in notification. You cannot. Okay, for advertisement, promotions, cross selling other products, they're not. How to say, they're not. If they're spammy, yes, they're policy, but they're fine. They're not against the policies. Pallav. Urbi Fashion House. Good evening, sir. Good evening, Urbi Fashion House. How are you doing? Ospin Academy here. Yes, I. Okay, no, bro. I don't believe myself that I will get job. Need 10 to $20 per day. I know how HTML is. Yes, I have idea that once I start earning from tools website. No, but don't waste your time, dear Ansar. Please don't waste your time. This is very complicated, and with like now SERP is going away. You see the SERP is going away. It's gonna be less and less. You want to build a skill. You want to build a platform which gonna take you years to come to make good earning, and just become freelancer, get registered on Upwork and Fiverr. Maybe Upwork is much better platform, and then you can make like $10-$20. You can make like, I don't know, $100-$200 every day if you just focus. Like, even if you have basic knowledge about React, CSS, JS, you have so many jobs. If you just go right now Upwork and apply for these jobs, it's much better way to get earning. Like, blog, I won't give you the wrong advice. I don't know whoever is, maybe people have different advice. If you already knew blogging, you knew blogging, you must be doing it. If you want to learn now and do it in the future, yeah, just yeah. Sir, how can I increase my DAPA as my website of 500K million monthly organic traffic and I want to increase DA? Okay, DA, then if you already have DA is not a concept by Google or somewhere. It's by Moz and different kind of other tools also, they show DAPA. So if you already have organic traffic, people like your website, you have a lot of backlinks, it's gonna automatically improve. What else you can do? You should focus on social media, have on more focus on more backlinks. That's all you can do. Yeah. Monthly organic traffic is a lot. Wangli, hello Abhishek. Hi Ankit, how are you doing? Ankit this side. I want to plugin for cookies. I can use cookie explain. Wangli, go check my last video. I explained about cookie constant banner. There's a plugin. It's free for small websites. 100% free for small website. You can use that plugin, and I think that plugin. Oh, wait. Let me. Okay, this is called Cookie Bot consent banner. Check like 2 or 3 videos before I created like this video about cookie consent. It's a really good plugin because most of the time what happens, like, a lot of plugins, they add a banner on a website but they do nothing because the law says when you apply a cookie consent banner. So for example, somebody say accept, so you can set the cookies on user's desktop or laptop or mobile anywhere. But if they reject it, you should be blocking the cookies set by different plugins. So what happens on WordPress, we use different plugins, and then all those plugins set up cookies on users' devices, and you don't control like centrally. So you really need a good plugin. So I created this video, I tested it. It gets like, like, I had like 50, 40 or 50 services who were setting cookies on users computer, and it scan everything. It categorize them. For example, it will tell you like 5 marketing cookies, 10 analytics cookies, 2 different cookies. All these cookies will be set on users computer. It will show to them because to be compliant with CCPA, GDPR, or like other law, you have Google consent v2 mode, Microsoft UET, all these things, especially if you're marketing. For example, let me tell you who's selling something. Akib, Alam, you're selling some products on your website or not? So yes, if you really want to take benefit from ads and everything, you should have like proper consent banner on your website, consent form on your website. Otherwise, you cannot use all those, like marketing data properly from Google. So yeah, use the Google consent mode. Sorry, use the plugin cookie bot CMP. Check the video on my channel, and you can properly implement the. I explain step by step how to do this, and it's also free for small websites. Palla, what is your website name? Yeah, Palla website name is Digi Hub Zone. Digi Hub Zone coming in 2025. Suggest me SEO audit from beginner to advanced. P4 SEO audit. Use there's so many tools for SEO audits. You can use Rank Math, Yoast SEO, and AI SEO. They all have this tool to tell about your website audit. Sorry, website SEO. The basic thing what you can do for your website. If you go to my channel, you will find a video like couple of days before I created a 4-step guide. Let me tell you the title of the video. So this was the video I created. Like this says, okay, 4-step SEO guide for quick indexing and beginners SEO. Check this video, and third last video on the channel. No, fourth last video on the channel. I explain everything step by step. So first, what you can do: set up proper SEO plugin, add local SEO details, all those things. Second, set up proper sitemap. Third, of course, you have to connect with the webmaster tools also. And then after set up a proper robo.txt file, that's not really mandatory, but if you do that, that's a good step. And in the end, do on page optimization. And final, you can create backlinks how much you want. They should be good quality backlinks. So yeah, that would be the basic SEO thing. There's so many videos on my channel you can watch about SEO. So yes, and also like auditing. Okay, audit, because if you audit from a tool, they cannot give you really dynamic advices. They give like general what is coded. They will go check H2, H3, H1, generic advice. But if you have to learn it, you have to learn it like properly. Guys, we have 13 people online, only 5 likes. What's happening, guys? Can you please like it more so we can reach to more people? We have channel reach down for the people they know who are already on the channel. We got copyright strike for using 3 seconds of video of a big YouTuber. So our channel is like really, really down. So if you can just like the video, this one, or maybe if any other video you see, it will really helpful. I will really appreciate that. Spifur said hi. Okay. Hi, Spifur. Illegal tricks like hide the close button on. Yeah, you're right. Pallav, you're real right. Sorry, Vaibhav, you're real right. Uh, you're real right. I see a lot of people does it. Even some people we on the live stream audit the website. We told them, and they're like, no, no, we want to do this. Like, don't do all this nonsense things. It might get your like a lot of trouble. And if somebody don't want to watch your content, somebody don't. For example, if I send you, for example, if I have all your emails, or if I know you all of them, and I send you, no, watch my videos. You don't want to watch my videos. It is very annoying for you to so that I force you to watch my videos. If you want to watch my videos, you will watch it. But it's really annoying. And also illegal tricks like like putting yes or no to. Sometimes they change it to different like yes and double yes or something, or maybe something like this. Yeah, that's illegal. That can get you a lot of problem. 6 months after AdSense approval, earn only $8. Lol. That's what I was saying. You need a lot of years and a lot of hard work to do something good in blogging. And also like blogging is almost like a scam industry. Like people are just making like big money from it, and they're like, oh, blogging is the best way. It's a good one. You can do blogging, you can learn website development, you can do a lot of things. But AdSense is the worst way. If you want to make money from blogging, you should be targeting more towards affiliate marketing or sponsored ads from people. You can write, for example, who said their website is getting a million views every month. They can contact the company who's selling the related products and ask them, okay, we want to put if you want to put ads on a website, we charge you like $500 or $1,000 for a month, and then we give you a banner on homepage or the most important pages on the website, and then you can add by yourself. That's gonna be a better way to make money. Just AdSense is not the best way to make money. And also launch a ebook, digital guide, something with ChatGPT. It becomes really easy to sell this kind of stuff. For example, if you can sell a like daily planners, something. You just go on internet, find a lot of ways. There are so many people are creating nice videos about Etsy templates and stuff, and then you can sell those things on your website too. Yeah, who was saying this? They want to make 20 money. I think it was. Let me check. Ansar. Ansar, you want to make? You just read the comment from Sarah Table. Table. That's after 6 months they make only $8. So if you're a developer or you front end developer, you just put your time somewhere good. Like don't waste your time on this basic skill. I have a website. I provide study content, notes, syllabus, important questions. Don't do this. No, you can call this a blogger what you want, but nowadays nobody wants your notes and content. We have ChatGPT, Gemini. So yeah, don't waste your time. Yeah, true. Just don't waste your time on all these things. People, student, everybody is learning from AI these days. Nobody wants these things. We have other people also who run this kind of website, and they see a lot of traffic down from like last few many months. Just don't do it, man. Don't waste your time. You can call yourself, of course, you can call yourself blogger. Why not? But being blogger is not a flex. Ankit, cookie constant banner free. I found the video. The video I'll watch. I will email you when time. Please check it. I have to send you email when you get time. Okay, video the video. Okay, perfect, Ankit. I'll check and let you know. Hello, sir. Sab badhiya na? Yes. Hello. How are you doing, sir? I have questions from last minute. Do Emmanuel Macron love macaroni? But macaroni is not French thing. For your information, Pallav. You can say macaron, the small desserts. Those are French, but macaroni, I don't think is French. How can I keep my WordPress website safe from hackers? Good question. So there's a video coming. Already a lot of videos on the channel. You can watch those videos, but also WordFence plugin or Solid security plugin or any one security plugin. Second thing you need to do is to install anti-malware plugin. Very very important to install on your website. Third thing, add Cloudflare on your website. That's very important. If you are not adding Cloudflare on your website, yes, your website is in risk. Like nowadays, especially with like a lot of DDoS attacks and all those, like people are just like card testing scams and stuff. So yes, install all those things on your website and scan them regularly. Keep your website updated. Limit login attempts. Change the website login URL. Add a captcha on your website. There's so many things. You'll just go to the channel. You'll find playlists with all the suggestions, all the videos, step by step. So I'm a bit confused related to content. Can we use video embed in blog posts or not? Because use watch page, give me watch page issues. Even I create separate. Yeah, it does not matter. Just use it. I have. I think there's a problem with Google. Google cannot really identify it, and I'm sure it's gonna change in future. They have to do something about it because. If you go to WebHub, I have created a video about it, like I think last year about it, and we have a lot of issues with when you add the videos on the pages and Google identify they say videos not listed something, it gives you error. It's totally fine, don't worry about it. And also if what you can do, if you can add a schema, video schema also on that page, that could be best thing. I think RankMath does not provide free version adding video schema, but you can add if you have premium plan or if you have like other plugin, you can use a lot of free plugins available by which you can do this. That really helps, but don't worry too much about it. It's adding a video or any related content which is improving the content is helpful. You should be doing that. I'm using my any correct I'm not using correct plugin theme, but I also use security plugins to keep everything brilliant, but still get hacked. Implement Cloudflare gonna really help you out. सर पैरासाइट्स एसईओ के बारे में कुछ बताओ या वीडियो इज कमिंग इट्स इन द प्रोसेस डियर क्रिक गोट 07 it's coming. Is it like Sagun's is your profile another profile? No. Yeah, but video is really coming soon. Daily, just follow me. 40 years man, can you learn digital marketing skill for 40 years, can you learn digital marketing skills for job purpose? Yes, you can learn digital marketing skill. Why not for job purpose? 40 years is not a big time. You can do whatever you want, depending how much dedicated you are. Nowadays, really easy to learn all those stuff. You have AI, you can use Google AI Studio, or you can have Microsoft Copilot. You can open in your screen and you can just ask as many questions as you want. You can interact with the voice commands, and it's all those are free. So yes, you can really learn like digital marketing, depending what you do right now. For example, if your current job occupation is not very well paid, or you think there's no future, or you want to change by a career, why not do, just you can learn it. Do a proper course from somewhere. A lot of online courses available from, like, all these big companies, Google, Microsoft, they all provide digital marketing courses. You can just go, even there's so many companies, they provide free digital marketing courses, and a lot of nice YouTube videos also on this topic. Just don't fall into a trap of stupid YouTubers who are just selling their courses and stuff. Don't do that. Don't buy those courses. Some of them could be nice, but most of them, they're trash. Don't buy those courses. Go to a proper institute and learn from their digital marketing. Or, you can, there are a lot of, you can buy a lot of books also available online with good rating. Yeah, but just to answer the question, 40 years man can learn, of course, 100% you can learn. And depends also what do you do. If you have no knowledge about computers, like you know nothing about computer, and you know nothing about internet, it might be complicated for you to learn stuff. But of course, why not do it? And it's also interesting to learn new things, even you are 40, 60, or 80. Everybody like to learn new things. Funny funny thing, I created a watch page to support main page, but my watch page is indexed instantly without any error, but not the main page. This is the issue with the, I think, with the Google reporting. Is I tried everything on this topic. If you watch the video, Weber, you will know that I checked everything, and I was like, many days I like, what's happening, and then I find my conclusion was, okay, it's not our problem, it's Google's problem. They have to fix, they have to improve their reporting. Like, for example, we cannot do anything about this. Chinarok, sir, I have heavy files like 10 to 20 MB photos. How can I offer to download directly in the WordPress, but can't post hosting storage problem? I tried Google Drive, Dropbox. It's getting redirect. Yeah, yeah. This is a big problem. I know you have like a graphics design website. You provide PSD and stuff. I would recommend you to better to. I think don't host them on your hosting. It's gonna be really complicated for you. Try to create a system about it, like in Excel file, that how you want to manage those things. For example, like month wise, and then you can subdivide topics inside those things, or maybe have topics inside those. You can create months and years, and then have a like story somewhere. Like, I think it's really complicated to host big files on your website. Yeah, how many you have got now? Like 20 MB is a lot photo. I know that big PSD files and photos. Yeah. I tried Google Drive and Dropbox, but it's getting. What do you mean redirect? Of course, by opening them in a new link. And I've never done it actually. You know what? I've never done it. I add everything on my website. Maybe there could be another way. For example, can you do something like this? So when somebody click on this, they can fetch the data from Google Drive, and then you can make it download from your own website. Instead of redirecting there, you can get it, and then you can make user available the download. Ask ChatGPT. I'm sure that you can get like small JavaScript code you can add on your website, and just check the file name, and it will download it for the user, and then it will download it on the user's computer. I'm not really sure about it, but I'm sure you can do something about it. 15 people online, sir. How can I keep my WordPress safe? I think we already answered that. Pritam. Okay. Are the comments are repeating or what? Because I think we already answered those things. Sir, I have followed all the steps mentioned, but website is still getting hacked. You have to see that. For example, what's it's not just so easy. You have to go check the settings, which I explain everywhere, and then you will be like really safe. How are you getting it? Is it like database injection, or where do I capture? There are a lot of things. There are a lot of things you have to take care. It's not just like what I explain you in like 5 minutes could in couple of minutes could justify on the details. Go watch the videos which I created about website security. There are, I don't know, 10 or 12 videos, nobody watches them, they were like 500 views and stuff. Watch them and then apply in detail, and then we can talk about if you're getting hacked or not. How to tell if it's CRETV? How to tell if it's hosting problem or plugin heavy load? I tried to optimize by W Rocket, even Smush, images, WP, and user interface fast, loaded, cacheable. What hosting you're using? If you're using cheap hosting, $1 or $2 every month, and you have a lot of traffic on the website, then it's a hosting problem. Also, you can go and check on Google Search Console. You can see, for example, like if you just let me show you Webmaster Tools. Go to Webmaster Tools, and then you have this option about website errors, and they show a lot of errors there inside. Let me show you what I mean. So let me open my website, and I can show you my screen. Hmm. Okay. So for example, like if you go to Search Console, you have this option here, host status. You go to settings, and inside settings, you have host status, and then you can see here whether there's an issue or not. So, for example, if the server issue connectivity rate or DNS resolution rate, it will be mostly because of hosting. It's not able to, like keep the website online. For example, you can see I had this issue like yeah, 4.5%, like on 18th November. Maybe it was a attack on my website, DDoS attack, but I handled it. But the right, everything looks real nice. So this is the issue, and also you can always log into a hosting account, and then from there you can see if the CPU is spiking or not. If the CPU is spiking, just upgrade your hosting. Also, you can use a CDN like Cloudflare to distribute the load from your website. Sometimes it happens when you use cheap hosting, you don't shared hosting also, that the website become very big, heavy loaded. So for to address that thing, what you can do, you can just add Cloudflare to your website, and yeah, that's all, and this will let you know that if there's an issue with the hosting or the or not. What do you mean heavy load? How many plugins you're using? Because I use, like, for one of my website, I use 50-55 plugins, and it's fine. It's load really fast. Thank you, Sergi. You're most welcome, dear. भैया मुझे नीट के लिए एक वेबसाइट बनवाना है एकदम फाड़ू सा के most talented man, depend, just you can find a lot of people on online Fiverr or Upwork, and depends, ask somebody local in your area to create website for you. We don't create website, I don't create website in my agency for small websites. Yeah, but depends how much you want. Create it by yourself. I have video tutorials on how to create a WordPress website. Create by yourself. For example, like you can always install WordPress by hosting, and then install WordPress, and then you can import complete website, and then start learning, like, because even once you have your website created by somebody else, you have to manage it by yourself. You have to add all those stuff on your website. So if you are going to learn all those things, it might not take a lot of time. Check my channel, you find how to create WordPress website and create by yourself. Pitamal, vodka, what is vodka? What do you mean vodka? Sir, neat mat lijiye. What neat? 37. No, no, it's just water. I drink juice in this. This is water. It's to boil the water. And because I drink some juice in it before, that's why it a little bit, like remains in the 3070. My client portal and learner portal is complete. Now heading towards creating a robust newsletter system. Ah, yeah, Pallav, let's do it. Maybe you can, make SpaceX with Elon Musk, and once that's ready, then you can launch it. Amazon trending products. Hello, hi, Amazon trending products. Don't forget to like the stream and join the WhatsApp group to help others. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you, Weber. Got it. From Chat GPT with code getting error. So it works sometime and sometime error. Big companies using Google Cloudflare. So, but we don't that much budget. So if we plan, don't have. But it should be fun. How much things you have on your website right now, Chinarok? Like you should not have so much stuff. Just add normal Google Drive somewhere. No, but use Claude. Use Claude or Gemini to write the code, and it should be like small code, like very small code. It's not something really big to. Yeah. Born Pixel, Ankit, Akash Ankit. Hey, hi, how are you? Let me know if I remember your name. Akash Methi or Ankit Methi? Thank you so much. Do you have a Discord, Telegram community group? We have WhatsApp group. You can join, but that group is not a help group. If you come there and you want to ask a lot of questions, that's not good for you. Can go to the channel, watch the video. We have a group where we people can connect and improve together. But that's not a group where you come and you post your questions. It's more about like helping each other. First, provide the value, and then you can ask a question. So yes, if you want to connect in that kind of group, we have WhatsApp group. But for help group, that's not a group. What's the temperature there? Temperature, I don't know. Temperature today here is 12 degrees. Apparently, we have summer back. So I don't know why. From couple of days, we had snowfall. We had a lot of rain. It was like -2, -3 degrees, 4 degrees. But from couple of days, it becomes really pleasant. It becomes like 15 degrees. We still have like uh, cloudy outside, but it's not as brutal as it was like last week. So we have 12 degrees. It's gonna be like 10, 12, 13 degrees, I think this week. And but no sun. But yeah, next week we have sun. Yeah, it's a problem in here in Europe. Like in winters, it's really really bad, very very boring. Especially if you are in France or you Germany or like like Poland and all those up Nordic countries, it's really bad here. But yeah, it's outside looks very dark, but not that cold. I remember one day I went out like day before yesterday because in my mind it was like 2 degrees, 3 degrees. So I went a lot of I had a couple of big jackets and I went out and with my bonnet and how it's called the cap and scarf. And when I went out, I start sweating. I was like, "What's happening?" But it was not really cold. How can I join the WhatsApp group? Akash, yeah, Akash. There's a link on there's a video on the channel. I talk about the group on the channel. You can there's a link and you can join. We have multiple groups on WhatsApp channel. I don't know how to call it. It's community. It's a WhatsApp community. So we have group for SEO. We have group for WordPress. We have group for blogging. We have different group for Hindi and English. English for general audience. Hindi is for audience from like Southeast Asia, from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. They want to speak in that language. So yeah, there's a group for everybody. You can join. The what's the video first on the channel about it? Ankit, how to research and write content and how to use tool write good content. Oh, tool write good content in pro. I'm not pro English. Yeah. Okay. So this is the thing. You can use any AI tool. Any AI tool to create the outline, then you write yourself. If you don't have good English, it's totally fine. You can use ChatGPT to correct the grammar mistake. You can use Grammarly. It's a real nice tool. There are a lot of other tools available which you can use to write good quality articles. If it's spelling mistake, don't worry about it. Language should be yours. Content should be yours. You can use ChatGPT or Gemini to correct your language and spelling mistake. That's totally fine. But if you write something in that language, sorry, if you write some complete article from AI tool, then that's a problem. So yeah, it's totally fine if your English is not pro. My English is not very pro. I do so much mistake in English, so many mistake, and especially since I moved to France. Here, people don't speak English; they speak French. So my French level is improved, but my English level is has decreased. Like I don't even know what to say there, and sometimes I just confuse. Who wants to come? Does somebody want to come on the live stream? I think I can send a link to somebody. Weber, do you want to come here on the live stream? I send you invitation. It will be real nice if you want to come on the live stream. Wait, let me check. How can I send? It will be fun too. I am always talking here. I would like to know that you guys also participate and become, like, people should also know you, who you are, and yeah. Summer. No, it's not summer, but still, it's like after snowfall. If it's 12, 15 degrees, it feels good. So I buy a domain, connect on Blogger, and Blogger posts are index, but after 5 months, okay, I buy a domain and connect to Blogger. Okay, Blogger posts are index, but after 5 months, I remove domain from Blogger and connect this domain to WordPress, and my website domain is index. Okay, what is the question? How to learn full SEO? Said hi, Tech Boom. Tech Boom, just go to my channel. There are so many SEO videos. Start with implementing a plugin if you're using WordPress, or learn on page optimization, learn how to write nice titles, learn how to create the how say the valuable structure of your content, like with the start with CTA. Learn how to create robot.txt file. It's super easy. It take 5 minutes, you will understand if you just put time. Learn how to create sitemap, how to submit your sitemap, how sitemap to webmaster tools, Bing webmaster tools, and Google webmaster tools, which is also called search console. Learn all those small things and you will learn SEO. And there are a lot of videos on my channel available. You can learn all those videos to know all these things. Tech Boom, yeah, don't repeat message, please, guys. Thank you, Ebo. What do you think about buying guest posts from the site that sell to casino? Oh, don't do that. Tahir Nasir, that's a very bad strategy. Then again, if you have a casino business, you want to buy the same thing from those websites, do it. But I don't work with casino gambling websites. What's that used for off-page SEO? Yeah, build backlinks, social medias, and that's all. Vulnerability access 40 rupees. Thank you so much, Vulnerability access. I'm good. How are you doing? Thank you so much for giving the super chat. Prita Mondalia, me too. So, in conclusion, is research yourself. Conclusion of what? How to research and write content, how to use good content. So, conclusion, research yourself, write yourself, and tell tools. Yes, exactly. This is the thing. For example, let me tell you, it also comes with experience. Let me tell you why people fail in blogging. Okay, this is the biggest problem people face in blogging. People fail in blogging because they have no idea about what they're writing. If you have experience, for example, if I know about programming, I'm in this field from last 17 years. When I will write, I will have my own insights. If you just want to be somebody who want to write on trending topics, for example, if you have no experience blogging, you want to write about finance because finance has very high CPC, you will create always content very low value, or you will copy the content from somewhere else. In both the cases, Google will not index those content, and liking by somebody that content is like, forget about it. That's why most of people fail in blogging. So if you have hold on something, or what you can do, for example, like, I'm not saying that you need to have complete knowledge about it. For example, if I'm learning yoga, or for example, let's say if I'm learning something about American football. So, for example, I need to do research about myself. I should be gathering knowledge, and then I can give that knowledge in form of a blog. That can be a self development blog, or for example, I can share with somebody, okay, learn about all these things. Or you can just say, okay, there are five big teams, NFL teams, or you're talking about basketball. Then you can do this. But if people don't have knowledge about it and they don't do any research, they just want to create the content from ChatGPT somewhere, that don't work. And that's the reason why a lot of people fail in blogging. Thank you, brother. You're most welcome, Tech Boom. Center link funds. What is semantic SEO and what the future of it? So, semantic SEO is, for example, if I have to explain in easy way, earlier what used to be, for example, like many years ago, if you want to let's say you want to sell laptop, okay, so what do you say? You target a keyword, say best laptop under 25,000, and then you fill that keyword everywhere. That was like more approach, old approach. But in semantic SEO, what you do, you don't target one keyword, but you, of course, you will have focus keyword, but you target, like, overall, like the whole, to help a user, like whole topic. And then you can target even, like, multiple things inside that keyword. So when you do semantic SEO, you are targeting multiple keywords, and you're articles will be ranking for multiple keywords. This is like how it's very, let me tell you the good words. Okay, so if you are using semantic SEO, if you are trying to build a semantic SEO, your post will be ranked for multiple keywords which exist in your article, your blog post, or your page. And if you were doing like earlier, what it was done like just targeting, how you call it, keyword stuffing, that was only for one keyword. If you write multiple times the same keyword, your post was ranking, but does not happen anymore. If you write a global article about like all information, what is good in that laptop, which companies are there in that 25,000 range, and for example what is good in the laptop, have very precise article, like give a lot of information, then you have CTA, all those things. That's like more semantic SEO. Go to my channel, I have a video about semantic SEO, and then you can learn all about semantic SEO on the channel. There's so many videos on the channel. I think most of the people, they don't watch those videos. So yeah, just watch those. There are a lot of content available to learn a lot of things. Yeah, the future is good. I ask about casino guest posts because I found really hard to find good guest posts from my site to reach out thousands before someone agrees to reasonable amount. But yes, it is what it is, man. If you have to pay get good backlinks, they you have to pay money. This is how it works. Why would somebody sell their backlinks for like for a very low price? It is what it is, man. I don't think we can do anything here. But yes, of course, there are always opportunity to create free backlinks. And but I'm not really interested in casino domain, so I cannot give you really uh, more advice here. But okay, website got indexing already commented. You read this comment, blogger wala comment. But website post not indexing. Can you write it again? There's so many comments I forget. Like just copy paste and write whole comment here in one go. More explanative. There's the issue in Google Search Console. Take a long time this week, but oh, there are always issues with Google Search Console. It always take big time. Google not support gambling poster backlinks. No, I think they're against Google policies, and also my policy. I also don't support all these things. Center click message retracted. Okay, so it means we must go with semantic SEO in future. Of course, yeah, that's the future. What do you do for living beside YouTube? YouTube is not my living. YouTube is just a hobby. So I have an agency where we provide cybersecurity and digital marketing and development, a lot of services for clients. That's my main thing. This YouTube is just a side hobby, and you guys make me like come create these videos. So I really enjoy creating videos and distributing knowledge, and also it's my social responsibility to share. Weber also working in SEO. He's also share a lot of things on this channel here. He's helping a lot of people in WhatsApp group and in comments also. So yeah, vulnerability exists. Is there any feature for WordPress developer? Yes. Shruti Suryavanshi 01, and yes, there's feature for WordPress developer. Why not? Even now we have like AI coming on WordPress 6.9. They started abilities API. If you watch my video I posted today, I talk about this in that video. I think not very detailed, but yes, I talk about it. So WordPress is going like really good. It's already got the biggest percentage of internet already, and it's a really good CMS. I really like it. People who don't understand it, they're like, okay, this is bad on. It's not for developers. No, it is. If you're a developer, you can create your own plugins. You can modify the core. You can modify the backend. You can modify the themes and all those things. So it is really good platform, and there's a good scope for WordPress development. And the best part is it's really easy to learn in starting because you're learning from CMS a lot of things. So it's you already have knowledge about all the global things, and then once you learn about like file structure of WordPress, how to use function, how to you create like hooks and all those things, it's really good scope. And AI is coming, so if you want to integrate with AI, you can integrate with AI. They have the 6.9 release like 2nd of December. They launched the abilities API. I'm going to create a video very soon about it, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. If anybody is not subscribed to the channel, guys, please make sure subscribe to the channel. And so I'm gonna create a video very soon about like the AI features coming on WordPress. We don't have a lot of knowledge about it, but yes, the knowledge we have, according to that, a lot of AI features coming. You can create, edit a lot of things from AI on your WordPress websites. So all those things are coming. Let's see when they will be completely released. But we already saw. You can see on the WordPress official channel they posted a little bit about it on YouTube that what gonna come with all those things. I am also cybersecurity expert. Nice, cool. What's the roadmap for a WordPress developer? For a WordPress developer, the roadmap would be start learning from the CMS. First of all, like learn how categories, posts, all those things works, how WordPress works, like basic setting, and then you can go to plugin development or theme development. You can know how to create themes, how to create plugins, and then learn about WordPress hooks. Just like we are just on how we say with AI age, it's just ask AI. AI will guide you every step. If you really want development, you can use Claude. I think much better than ChatGPT for coding, and also you can use Gemini. I think we have a lot of free pro tools available in India for free. Shruti, if I'm not wrong, you're from India. So if you can have a pro tool that will really help you out, like Pro Gemini or Pro Perplexity or any other AI tool. Don't buy a wrapper tool. Just for disclaimer, guys, don't buy a wrapper tool. I won't take the names, otherwise we get copyright strike. Yeah. So did you try Lovable AI tool? I tried it once, like a few days ago, and I was thinking to get video about it, but I'm trying. I have to do it more extensive research about Lovable, but it's getting very popular. Thank you, sir, for reply. You're most welcome. Sir, what are the SEO latest updates? SEO latest updates is serve page is going away. That's the latest update. I think everybody is worried about it. That the by default the Google AI mode will be the how say the latest will be the latest page for Google search. So what it used to be, people were only getting, like in many countries, even in Europe, that's we don't still have AI mode by default. We still have the, if we don't even have AI overview, if I'm not wrong, we still have the old pages on old style of search on Google. But yes, very soon they're gonna change it to replace it to AI mode. So everything you will ask, there'll be Gemini AI which gonna reply, which gonna respond to your questions. So there's a big update coming. People are really worried about. Of course, it's gonna affect a lot of people. So yeah, that's a really big update. And yeah, that's why you should be learning more towards AI, and like not just doing prompt engineering. Like prompt engineering, don't fall in that trap, but really learn it. And also, if you can learn automation, you could learn automation in field of SEO also. If you can learn it and focus on other ways of getting traffic on your website instead of just like relying on Google search results. So yeah, that's the biggest update. Are we going to live audience? No, unfortunately, my camera was buggy today. Akash, sorry, no updates. I tried like 20 minutes with the camera. It's not working. So setup was not working. No live audits today. Lovable AI, good sir, but backend was a hard manage things compared to WordPress. Of course, they can try, but WordPress has teams of, I don't know, thousands of people. They work on WordPress, very much evolved. You can do a lot of things with AI nowadays, but to bring it to a mature level where you can have everything's properly working without bugs and stuff, like okay, WordPress have bugs, but not really like big bugs which can break your website. They have small bugs. Love. Okay. Can you talk about SEO expert future app tech? Yeah, SEO is like very big field. It's not just like like. Okay, so how you will have content on this AI tools? It will always come from like people who are creating the content. They cannot generate their, they can generate their content, but still the main knowledge coming from all these things. For example, if you ask me that how to sell a, how to create a brand around the water, like water company, how to create water company, AI cannot create this experience. If it's a person, a marketer, a salesperson who is doing these things, and then they are publishing the reports, they are publishing their findings and all those stuff. So all these things comes will always gonna come from real data. And AI cannot create all this kind of data. AI can analyze the data, but it cannot create this own data. Person experiences, it cannot create it. For example, if you want to create a blog about how to have the best trekking in Himalayas, or how to have best trek or holidays in Amazon rainforest. All those things you have to get by yourself. It can take the knowledge which it already has, but not new knowledge. So yes, if you are somebody who is thinking about SEO, it's fine in the future. It's not going anywhere soon. The things will be changing. They will say, okay, it's maybe instead of like a SERP page, the new page is coming, but it gonna be there 100%. I don't see that it's going. Maybe in few years it might be relevant, but I'm not really sure how they're gonna be. But of course, the people who are there in that field, they will navigate to other field. Like nobody will be like really like dived out of. Because of AI, or like for example, all the jobs will be gone. They will change. They will transition into new jobs. For example, like now we see Google, Amazon. They all are hiring more and more engineers. Of course, they're doing less coding with the engineers, but they're going somewhere. They're doing something with all those things. I heard that like 90% of the code on Amazon, or which company was it? It's just written by AI. But yes, they're still hiring engineers. All those stuff. Same with I think SEO experts. It's not just this one this fits. There are a lot of things around it. And how, for example, like if you think somebody want to do like a shopping, like buy perfume online, of course, what Google AI will suggest them. They suggest, okay, which perfume you want to buy. In the end, they will go to a website to buy all those things, or go to an app to buy all those things. So yes, AI gonna be there. Sorry, SEO gonna be there. Tech boom, bro. I have domain hosting, two website, but not earn money because reason low value content. So what can make it high value content? Sir, what is the name agency? I don't want to share it really here. We have some, yeah, we have some lot of contact with the clients. So yeah, I don't want to share the name of my agency here. AI is good until it goes wrong, and then you are not a dev, just a vibe coder. Most of people are. Yeah, vibe coder. Okay, it's vibe coder is good. But what happened when the things goes down? Then your vibe code does not work because you don't know how to. It's a real nice thing, Akash. So I have this team member, and then we have some tasks. We have something new to apply on a website. So it was a payment code. So we modify this plugin. So for example, what happened? This was a website where. For example, it's a network website, not network, how to say? It's like Amazon. So, for example, I'm the seller there and you are the buyer. But when you buy something from me, what I do, I take this payment is from PayPal, and then I distribute it in two ways. Like for I get the commission, the website get the commission, and the seller get the commission. So for example, we want to do this code. There's no code around it. So this guy, this is my team member, so he did wipe code with the like this feature. And then after it didn't work, and I like, "Yeah, fix it." And he's like, took 1 week. I like, what happened? You're not fixing it. He's like, I don't know how to do it. I'm like, so how you did it? So like, I just do code from AI, and then it was so I mean, it was so complicated in the end. So we have to write everything from start. Of course, we take help of AI a little bit, but we have to start from starting. So yeah, vibe coding is cool. It's really good, but yeah, vibe coder, yeah, it's not the real deal. Maybe we don't need that. For example, maybe we don't need coders. If AI can do really good coding, so why we need somebody? A vibe coder may be a good thing. But yes, I don't think we are there. That yeah, it's. I think a lot of things are there. Sir will replace AI. Sir will replace AI just for maybe possible. You're right. Sir, gab mara domain blogger website 6 जब हमारा डोमेन वेबसाइट से कनेक्ट था उस टाइम मेरी वेबसाइट पोस्ट इंडेक्स हो रखी थी लेकिन जब मैंने उस डोमेन को वर्डप्रेस कनेक्ट किया तो इंडेक्स नहीं ओके सो यू वांट टू से व्हेन योर वेबसाइट इज कनेक्टेड टू blogger your website is indexing but when you connect it to WordPress it's not indexing. Is that your question? Amazing transfers. So it might be possible because you might have changed your URL structure, and also the lot of code also being changed. Maybe you're using new SEO plugin now, so a lot of things might be changed on your website. Did you keep the same URLs, or the URLs are changed? And also the data on the pages, how they change, the titles and meta description, are they changed or not? It might be happening. And I just recommend you to resubmit the sitemap again to WordPress and see what they're saying. So how to get SEO clients? Please can share any idea. Upwork, Fiverr, cold outreach, do all those things. Do we need unpaid thumbnail designer for or editor? We can have paid thumbnail designer for the website. Video editor, yes, we need video editor and thumbnail. I'm already talking to one of the guy. He if you see the last short on the channel, is a update. It was created by Mr. RK. He sent me this as a test, and I think it was very decently edited. So yes, I'm looking for unpaid thumbnail editor. Even we can pay, but we have to see. We need somebody professional. I know you. I remember you sent me the thumbnail, but I think we need more professional thumbnails. If you can create better thumbnail, or you want to, Ankit, if you want to eager to learn, you can do really eager to learn more thumbnail editing or video editing. Of course, we can talk about it. But the one you sent me, I'm sorry, I think I did not get time to respond to you on the email, but that was not something really really how to say, good, very very high quality thumbnail. We need professional thumbnail. App tech. I just told you guys, find from Upwork, from Fiverr. There are a lot of freelancing website. Mold. There's so many freelancing website you can find from there. That out, for example, search for the local business in your areas. Check their website. Suggest them. Okay, the best thing what you can do, search business in your areas and tell them, okay, this is your website and this is like what you're lacking. This is the mistake with website, and then we have this proposal what we can do. For example, if you do 5 times, like for example, to analyze one website, to write email, everything, it's gonna take like 30 minutes to 1 hour. If you write like 3 or 4 people, like every day, like 2 or 3 hours every day, in 1 month, how much will you have? Like if you work like 20 days, to you have like 50 or 60 proposals. In I'm sure that one person will respond to you. Maybe we'll talk about, at least they will say about like you'll talk about money, how much money you want to charge, all those things. But yes, you will have some prospect for your SEO business. Did you need thumbnail editor? Simple. Ankit, the same channel I'm live on, or is it like, am I live from different channel or no? Because I have like another Hindi channel also. I did not post something big on that channel. Okay, no, we're live from the right channel. Okay, guys, 88 minutes. Any last question, and then we can wrap this session of live today. And after that, I recommend you to all watch the video on WordPress I created. It's a very small video, really help you out to learn what's coming in WordPress 6.9. And a few blocks, new blocks came on WordPress 6.9. For example, this block called math block. It's on WordPress, and then we have this. What I just created video today. I forget about it. So yeah, there are a lot of new features that are there. For example, you have note feature on WordPress 6.9. You can add notes for collaborating better with your team members, for agencies, and for people who have multiple people working on the website. For them, it's really really nice feature. We have also command palette, so you can search. It's a very cool way. People who are criticizing WordPress all the time, they have something to vibe. So it's a cool feature. You can just press Control K on your keyboard, or for Mac is Command K. Make sure you update to WordPress 6.9 first, and then you can go to all the shortcuts. So it's there. You have new layout for galleries. You have, and what else you have? Yeah, accordion now in WordPress, but still, like WordPress accordion is still very very back. How say? Uh, how you call old style? Like you have it. You have the native support of adding accordion into in accordion block, but still it cannot be compared currently with the block you have on Elementor or Divi Builder or Breezy or Bricks or any page builder. They are much ahead on this. I don't understand why this is slow, but also at the same time I understand this sustainable growth with WordPress. So they don't want to launch hundreds of features with like multiple millions of templates available. They want to grow it sustainably, so that's why we see like slow development, all those things. And yes, and I think 25-30% people already use Elementor. Correct me if I'm wrong. What do you think? I think a lot of people use Elementor. Big part of WordPress is website created by Elementor. Kumar X7CK3K. My website 20 days old and targeting in US 20 days. Site is 28 impression, 28K. Clicks are negligible. In its currently showing 800 keyword. That's side ranking. But yeah, but what? But my question is, my AdSense is rejected. What to do? I have done many edits too, but nothing's working. But it looks very why how your website is getting 28K impression. How you're what are you doing? If it's a new website, 28 days old website getting 28K impression, something is there. Let us know the whole picture. I got AdSense approval on a account which I use for YouTube AdSense, and the website account is other account. But now I don't know why after approval still ads are not appearing on web. Yeah, it might take some time to see, ad appear on the website. It's not like you have the AdSense approval. The ads will be coming on website. It might take some time. It might take some few days to get ads to be appear on the website. And also check if you have implemented ads properly or not. You can use Google Auto Ads, but they're not. I don't recommend anybody use Google Auto Ads. You can check the video on the channel. You can use a plugin to add the ads on your website. But watch, guys, everybody who's want to learn SEO, you want to learn how to get more traffic, you want to learn more about WordPress, you want to learn more about digital marketing, go to the channel. There's so many videos there that will definitely improve your knowledge, because a lot of people, you are asking the question, they're very basic questions, and the answer is only that you learn. Just go and gather knowledge. It's watching YouTube videos and then implementing it will be the right way to learn all those things. Like I cannot teach you something in this live stream like real nicely. For those, I have long form videos. You can watch those things. Can you please suggest me any channel to learn WordPress? But on my channel, Shruti, go search WordPress. There's so many videos of WordPress. I have videos about how to create a website, how to create basic about Word. So many. Just go and learn so many videos about WordPress, and then if you have any question, you can come back and you can always ask on the stream. And there's so many other channels also. Just on YouTube is it's just like such a nice place to learn anything. Nothing, bro. The website is completely topical cluster, and all the posts are very low KD. So I'm getting impression. No, but no, I understand you getting impression, but 28K impression in like days old website. First of all, how much posts you have? It is a bulk website created by AI content or what? Because it's for example, it's very incredible that you're getting like 20 old days website. Like, what do you mean 20 old days? You bought domain 20 days ago, and then you even wrote all those things. You get in 28K impression. Of course, they're like, if you're the low KD, maybe I want to say low keyword difficulty, then they should not have much traffic. But you are having so much things. For example, if you have so many impressions, that means you have so many pages on your website, and everything get like 5, 6, 10, 20 impression. It will make 28K impression, which means like how you generating the content. Tell us. I There must be something like behind it. Can you make a video on ezoic approval? I think it's super easy to get ezoic approval. You Why you want a video about it? Like, just I think there's a the apply for it. Exactly. You said it. Just the mix of AI total having 58 posts. Yeah, the AI things don't work. Just check my video on the channel. I think, let me tell you the title of the video. These things, Google has to clarify it by raising document for the search quality rater program, that this thing mix of AI don't work. We only talk about it. I think you're new on the channel, Kumar. Just go watch the videos. So let me tell you the particular video. So go check this video. Say force Google to index your page in 2025. Let me see if I can share this video on the chat. Is this video is a very good video for everybody who wants to learn more about content writing and indexing pages. Okay, Kumar dear, I have sent the video link in the description. Yeah, see, I knew it. With after all this experience, you know something is not matching. Unpaid internship, sir. Ankit, okay. Can you make new video? Okay. AI content takes you to dream world. Yeah, don't work. We have. I was working with this magazine. Like they have a sports magazine. There are millions of traffic, and then their whole traffic disappear because they like start abusing AI so much that one day all their pages they have like 100,000 pages, more than 100,000 pages. They all get indexed because their last 20,000 pages they're all coming from AI, very low quality, low value, and they were getting a lot of traffic before earlier from Google Discover and from Google News. But after that, their whole website got de-indexed overnight. Like in one morning, the graph was like this: millions, zero, not zero, maybe like 5, 10, 20. Some people who knows the website, they're coming back to the website. Yeah, so but guys, check this video. And also, like, let me tell you one more video. Please watch this video. It's a very small video I created about today about WordPress 6.9. There's some nice feature about WordPress 6.9 explain. Learn about WordPress 6. Yeah, we're in the age of AI where I cannot have my stream working properly. With camera cannot work properly. This is the age of AI. So okay, this video I added here. So I also please watch the video is pinned on the chat. Okay, so chat, 7 people online, guys. Are you tired or not yet? Let's finish this live stream. I think it's almost 2 hours. So we can finish this live stream and then we can. Or even last question, ask me, Vaibhav, any last question? Pallav, Ankit, anybody? Last question, Shruti, Chinarok. Not yet, bro. Let us get some knowledge. What, Kumar, if you want to do really want to really change all these things, just go and watch the video. There's so many videos on the channel. If I go to my channel right now, I can suggest you some videos you should be watching like right now. Like for most of the people, this video will make a lot of sense. Let me see. Let me open my channel. Okay, so if you go to the channel, if I go to videos, and I will be very honest with you, like which videos you should be watching. So, for example, like let's talk about SEO videos. So, SEO, you should be watching. Okay, first of all, watch this video humanizing AI content. This video got 1.2K views, but this video is very important for all of you. For example, people who say we are mixing AI content, they should be watching these videos. But the thing is that I don't know how to write the title for this one, but this is very important video. I explain about the guidelines of Google and why you should not be creating content using AI, and also why you should not be humanizing content, because a lot of people think when you humanize the content it becomes really good. No, you are in like in a dreamland. Force Google to index your pages. Second video, really important video. You should watch this video. I talk about a lot of things in this video about a lot of things. This video with funny thumbnail, just experiment, steal this 10 million title and description strategy. So this is the things I shared on my channel, which we do on a website which does $10 million of business, and we I use the same strategy on that website. It's a client website I manage, so I explain everything in this video. And this is a very okay thumbnail is a little bit sensational, but the content is really good. Yeah, but still it got 2.7K views. So watch this video. This is really good for you guys. What a topical map. Topical map is really in people who want to get traffic on the website, on new website. 4-part series. First part is here. Second part is here. Third part is here. Fourth part is here. 4 part series we cover from starting, and then we talk about EAT and also topical map how to create using AI. We talk about prompt, also very detailed prompt, and then 7 step process how to implement topical map on your website. If anybody is doing it, for example, if you say, so this is the thing. For example, this topical part took 4 videos to create just to explain how to do it. And if somebody is writing content from AI and then they're saying we are not getting results on your website, what are you doing? Just to explain this topic, I took 4 videos. Imagine to write all those things and to implement those things, we need 7 good steps. So if you're doing all these things, you have so much content on your website within few days generated by AI, all low value content. So yeah, please take some time. You can waste your like 50 hours now and waiting for years, or invest 50 hours in learning and then save your coming time. So real nice video you can watch about SEO. AI guide, look, here's an AI guide of how to get traffic from AI, SEO, and GEO. Real nice. Then also we all focus social issues also in this channel, like do not create dowry calculator. People, somebody said they have 80 calculators. I hope you don't have dowry calculator on your website, which is not a nice thing. And then we have more EAT, how to apply. EAT is really big thing, guys. If you want to get more traffic, build authority, do EAT on your website. And I explain step by step in this video, 27K views, that how to get EAT on your website. Then more AI mode secrets, and how to copy this to rank on Google, and general information you should be knowing about how Google works. For example, I cover here like how Google destroyed ChatGPT. This is a very important video. For example, if you want to get the global knowledge about all these things, you should be knowing what's happening there. If you have no knowledge about what's happening there, then you can always keep guessing stuff and nothing will change. Okay, can we do, wait, let me, okay, then I cannot read the comments. Okay, perfect. Wanna become SEO analyst at Wordpress? Ankit wanna become. Bro, the article must be informative, right? Whether it's no, but Kumar. That's why I say watch the videos. Right now, what you're talking about is not, we're not on the same level. Okay, what you're talking about, what people teach on you, this scammer YouTuber teach on Google, and it's like very general idea about like drink water to get healthy. But after there are a lot of things about like what does, how you produce the. Just watch the videos and we can talk about Kumar in the next live stream about this. Yeah, this is how people make fool to sell their courses. Like create AI blog. I made 50,000 euros. You can also make 50,000 euros, and you can try for many years. You make nothing. So yeah, Kumar, watch those videos. You will know all those things. Watch all of them. Like don't just watch one video. Like there's a global idea about all those things, and every video will have something new. And then you will know why you should not be creating this content. And you tell me the answer next week. That what do you think about the same idea? I'll send a GSC chart to you through Instagram after this live. No, don't send me a chart after GSC. Like we are not the same level right now. Whatever you send me, gonna be time waste for you and me, for both of us. Like if you are not on the same level, if your mindset is right now, the article should be informative. Right? No, we are not on the same level. Watch the videos, get some knowledge, and then maybe you can share things with me after. Right now, it's gonna be waste of time for both of us. Sir, in my learner portal, the logged in viewers can save articles to add to favorite, comment on articles like nice, super cool Pallav. This is a nice feature. In my learner portal, the logged in viewers can save articles to add to favorites, comments on the articles and like articles. I also created activity log to allow users with the nice. What are you making, Pallav? You're making next SpaceX. The only thing remaining is to. But seems like you're making something nice. I hope it will really helpful for people who are coming to your platform. Okay. 100 minutes, we are already close. 100 minutes, 12 people. Guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And also, if who have not liked this stream, please like the stream. Channel reach is really, really down because you got copyright strike on the channel for using a 3-second video from a channel for like constructivity purposes. So yeah, channel reach is down, and I still not got time to fight that copyright strike. So if you can just like the channel, share the channel, support the channel, it would be really nice. I would really appreciate. Okay, any last questions or we wrap the live stream? Let's maybe couple more minutes so we can cross the 100 minutes mark. And also, what video? Let me suggest you what else video you can watch on the just there's there's playlists on the channel also where SEO playlist, your AI playlist, your topical map playlist. There are a lot of playlists for security. Somebody asking security. The security playlist on the channel to know that how to secure your website. All those things are there. You just need to look for the 423 videos we have created until now. So that's a big number. You just need to put your time. I've created those videos. Now it's up to you guys. And all those videos, they're based on things what we are doing in real industry these days. So not like a data which is like high how to say hypothetic data, because we are doing this on all real websites. So yeah. So okay, so we have crossed 100 minutes of mark. I think we have nobody is asking last question. So let's end this stream here, guys, and I leave you to this point. Thank you so much, first of all, for join the live stream today. And we do this live stream every Wednesday, 3 p.m. Central European Time. Make sure, depending which country you're living in, so it might be different time. So yeah, 3 p.m. Central European Time, CET. Let me tell you again. 3 p.m. Central European Time every Wednesday is the live stream, journal live stream. Usually we do live audits, but today my setup was not working, so I could not share my screen with a camera properly. So that's why we are doing from mobile device. Otherwise, it's a proper live stream where I share my screen and I audit websites for SEO, for design, for speed, lot of other things. That will be the my stream for today. And please watch the video I created today about WordPress 6.9. And thank you so much, everybody. Please take rest, enjoy. Also, take rest is really, really important, and have fun, guys. That's really important. You cannot just keep working and putting all your energy towards work. You should also put some energy towards fun. Also, that's really important. And festival time is the end of the year. You have still have time to learn new things. Don't leave it for next year that 2026 will come. I will learn how to write a blog post. I will learn how to do SEO. I'll learn how to create WordPress website. Do all this year, so that next year when you go, you will have much more like things already planned ahead. So yeah, with that note, I will leave you. Rest of you can always comment on the videos and all those things on live. And yeah, that's all. Thank you so much. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share the channel, like the videos if you like those videos. And also, feedback is always welcome. If you have constructive feedback, please give constructive feedback on the videos. See you on the next stream. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining today. Have a great week. Thank you, Weber. Have a great week. Thanks for the burger, Ankit. Yeah, it's still not dinner time here. Ciao, guys. See you in next live stream. Take care. Goodbye.